headshot. Hi guys, and welcome back to M.R.A's Android Zone. In this video I'm gonna show you an app, and I'm gonna show you another app in next video. Sorry, I didn't know how to say it again. About effects, sound effects, okay, with buttons. And maybe you want it for personal fun, or maybe fun for a video blog. You are making a review of something and you want to uh, make it much more special with effects, okay? Meaning you are appearing into the video, you appear and you tap applause. Okay, you can even let's say like this, combine effects, okay? Tap on one and then tap on the other before the first one ended. I'm gonna show you how. Over here, as you can see, you have your volume, okay? You don't have to tap your volume up, volume down. You can just scroll this, okay? And I'm gonna show you uh, all the effects, okay, in big parts. I'm not gonna let it to listen from the start to beginning, okay, and I'm gonna show it to you. Air horn, okay, applause. Those are from comics, okay. DJ break, broken, burp, sorry, car alarm, car lock. Okay, falling man. can make, okay. Bless you. Boom, bam, boom, 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 bam, boom. Okay, microwave. Nature. So that's all. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.